Good evening and welcome to the news. First, the headlines. Positive cases in the country crosses over 99 lakhs. Recovery rate improves to 95.21%. Nation remembers brave hearts with floral tributes on the 50th anniversary of the 1971 India-Pakistan War. Dwark Suit Bridge along the Shillong bypass to be dedicated for public transport from 15th January 2021. And the Catholic Archdiocese of Shillong to celebrate 9-day prayerful services. The news in detail. The national COVID-19 recovery rate has improved to 95.21%. India's total cases have gone up to over 99 lakhs. Total active cases in the country are now over 3 lakhs. In the state, the total active cases stands at 690, with 131 people succumbing to the disease. Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid tribute at the National War Memorial this morning on the 50th anniversary of the 1971 India-Pakistan War. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh unveiled the logo for Swarnim Vijay Diwas to mark the anniversary of the war. Vijay Diwas is observed every year on December 16th as a mark of victory over Pakistan in the 1971 war that also led to the creation of Bangladesh. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh today saluted the bravery of Indian Army on Vijay Diwas. In a tweet, Singh said the soldiers wrote a new chapter on bravery. He said their sacrifice evokes inspiration in Indians and the nation will always revere them. Along with the rest of the country, Vijay Diwas was observed at War Memorial Killapara in 75 Battalion under Sector Headquarters, Tura. Floral tributes were paid at War Memorial Killapara to the war heroes who sacrificed their lives during the 1971 war. On this occasion, Bhagwant Singh, Commandant BSF Tura, Karunanidhi Tripathi, Commandant 55 Battalion and others remembered the sacrifices and laid wreaths and played floral tributes at the War Memorial Killapara. The valence and mettle displayed by the BSF, Meghalaya troops during the Bangladesh Liberation War was remembered. MEECL employees began their agitation due to the failure of the MEECL management to comply with their demands. Congress spokesperson Zenith Sangma said that he understands the hardships and the agony of the employees during this festive season. The MPCC spokesperson Zenith Sangma also expressed concern about pending salaries of the employees of GHDC. He said for more than 30 months, the employees of Garo Hills Autonomous District Council are not getting their salaries. He also mentioned the pending salaries of SSA teachers.
Have we ever found that for such a long period of time, the employees are not getting salary? How they will survive? It's a festive time. Even the SSA teachers, for last more than 4 months, they are not receiving their salaries. The employees of different public sector undertakings are not getting salaries. So this is the kind of situation where this present leadership is running the government. So it reflects the insensitivity and the inefficiency of the government.
The Meghalaya Transport Minister Sneha Bhalangdhar informed that the construction of the Dwark Suit Bridge along the Shillong bypass is expected to be dedicated for public transport from 15th January 2021. The minister revealed the status of the construction of the bridge during the inspection conducted recently by the official from the National Highway Authority of India, the official of the Border Road Organisation and the members of Meghalaya Truckers Union. He further added that the new steel bridge, which will be constructed by BRO, will be able to carry the load of 40 tons.
Yeah, come on. Everything is under responsibility. Im keren saya galut don kamag baik-baik bikin sok. No question of expenditure. Ni pak ban deploy kemang baik-baik ni yok banyak ni kumudulok.
BJP MLA Sanbor Shulai wrote to BJP National President JP Nadda stating that BJP legislator A.L. Heck to continue with his cabinet berth till the completion of full term of MDA government. Shulai, who earlier recommended seat sharing, has stated that he is looking forward to revamping BJP in rural Meghalaya.
Finally, I have given this letter for Heck to let him, being a senior leader, let him continue till the end of the term. And myself, that I will continue to work for the people of the constituency and also to start spreading our wings from the month of January.
As long as we are giving the mandate to work for people, we are always there. Our resolution is to serve people here.
The faithfuls belonging to the Catholic Archdiocese of Shillong are celebrating Christmas with the 9-day prayerful preparation called Novena. This Christmas, spiritual preparation will be held in all the churches with strict adherence to health protocols issued by the government. Unlike in the previous years, the Christmas preparation is subdued due to COVID-19 pandemic. Father John Madur stressed this year's celebration should be on inner spirituality.
This year, our celebration of Christmas would be different from the past years. Due to the pandemic, there are a lot of restrictions so that we could prevent the spread of this disease. So this year, our celebration would be very much sober in the externals, but certainly more intense in the spiritual.
Under the Rural Electrification Corporation Foundation funded project, No One Shall Be Left Behind initiative, the Northeast Slow Food and Agro-Biodiversity have the goal of promoting indigenous food systems that will significantly contribute to improved nutrition, food security and sustainable livelihoods. To celebrate the strengthening of this partnership, NESFAS, along with the community members of Queng, Bharumbong Block, Ribhoi District, organized a special event on Tuesday to acknowledge the project's contribution in enhancing their well-being. The program was organized strictly adhering to all government SOPs and safety protocols.
Sibun bak niki kam ki bangi la leh ngini Shillong na korong siap ngiwan ra kata kaunes program kumno baki beri ki subtu kerpang sepang kane ka rep tenrai kamot bangin nang man bu sembai ki bangin wat ki long den kumno le sti maki ki le bat kumno ban penjana shu kata.
So the aim of NESFAS is to encourage and bring together the people and highlight the role of the indigenous farmers in how they have been protecting this indigenous food systems, and at the same time to promote this indigenous food system amongst the masses.
And a quick look at the weather report now. The maximum temperature recorded was 19.4 degrees Celsius, the minimum 7.1 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 51%, while that in the evening rose to 79%. No rainfall was recorded. The forecast: Shillong and its adjoining areas may experience fog in the morning and will have a partly cloudy sky. And another look at the headlines before we wind up. Positive cases in the country crosses over 99 lakhs. Recovery rate improves to 95.21%. Nation remembers brave hearts with floral tributes on the 50th anniversary of the 1971 India-Pakistan War. Dwark Soit Bridge along the Shillong bypass to be dedicated for public transport from 15th January 2021. And the Catholic Archdiocese of Shillong to celebrate 9-day prayerful services. Well, viewers, that's all we have in this edition of the Bulletin. Join us again tomorrow evening for more news and updates.